All right, this is a cool little portable car vacuum cleaner. It does recharge with USB-C. It does have a 1 button to operate it, and it can also be used as a blower to blow out of the backside. So it does come with some attachments, specifically that long one right there and that one right there that you can snap onto the back here and then use as a blower. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the vacuum cleaning function of it, and also want to notice that you see that filter in there. It comes with the extra one, so that's pretty cool. But over here in my car you can see I got some dog hair, I got some sand. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So there's only one speed, on, off, but you can see it makes light work of that sand. So that's actually a good sign. Let's see, there's a little bit of dust from the ballpark right here. Let's see if we can get that too. Oh yeah, no problem. Get deep in that crack right there. Actually have a ton of sand in here because we just went to the beach. So yeah, obviously works, takes care of the sand. I don't think it's going to do such a great job of getting dog hair out, but any vacuum cleaner is going to have a really hard time getting dog hair out. You need a special tool to get the dog hair out of the carpet. But overall, nice form factor, super lightweight. Simple device, great to have on hand just to be able to clean the car out quickly without having to go get a whole vacuum for that purpose. Nice.